Changing the front bulbs on the Ford Transit. Now, you don't have to remove the assembly completely to change all of the bulbs, but to make it easier to see, I'm going to remove it, as it's only two T30 Torx screws. The second one is at the top of the assembly here. And the assembly just lifts up out of position. You'll just need to remove the wiring harness down at the bottom. So the first bulb we're doing is the dipped beam, which is a H7 bulb. Undo the retaining clip here and note the shape of the base of the bulb. The locator goes in between the two pins there. Refit the retaining clip and the plug. Now this vehicle has cornering lights. There's a H1 bulb. Squeeze this retaining clip to release the bulb. H1 bulbs have a flat side for location. Now the indicator bulb. This is a PY21W bulb, and you just push the bulb down and twist it anti-clockwise to remove, and the opposite when refitting. Finally, behind the last cover we have the high beam and side light. So starting with the high beam, we've got this H15 bulb with a 3-pin plug. Quite tricky to remove this one. And then the bulb turns anti-clockwise. When refitting, make sure that the bulb is sat flat against the holder. And the side light just pulls out of position, and you've got a W5W wedge bulb